Hello everyone, this is Deepak here. First of all, my apology to everyone. Like, this has been almost 3 months that I have not been uploading any video on my personal YouTube channel, which is English Nuts and Bolts. My sincere apology for that. I was quite busy with, certain other stuff, was planning some other things. I launched my personal English course. So I was quite busy there. I could not devote much time on my personal YouTube channel. So sincere apology to everyone. And guys, now I am quite sure that I'll be uploading like at least 2 videos in a week without any fail, and that's a pinky promise from my side. I'll definitely gonna do that. The best part with my YouTube channel will be you will get all the videos in English to English. Yes, I'll not be doing anything in Hindi. If you are interested from Hindi to English, please do not follow my channel. I'm specifically saying this because I don't believe that Hindi, like English, can be learned with the help of Hindi. So the people who are going with the translation method or want to learn English in Hindi language, guys, probably they are, again gathering thistles and expecting pickles. Like boy पेड़ बबूल का तो आम कहाँ से हुए, right? So please understand, this year 2021 I have set the goal that I'll be taking most of my classes, although I'll try to ensure that the people from the Hindi background also gets very good idea about it. Okay, so it should not be that they are not understand anything, they're not understanding anything. So I'll be keeping every audience in my mind. Yes, but on my personal YouTube channel I'll be taking only English to English classes, and I'll be explaining vocabularies, I'll be discussing previous years, I'll be talking about the most intricate questions which sometime creates jittery in your mind, or sometime you get baffled because of those questions. Okay, so I'll be starting this session today with the very simple vocabulary part. And guys, I'm gonna share some of the root words which are important for all of us to know. So without wasting time, now I believe we should start. There are 10 vocabularies which we'll be discussing today, and we'll be taking it to the next one. Okay, so guys, यहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं, and this is now the first word, government by the old man. So guys, a gyno, we always use gyno for the female, right? We use gyno for female. We use ender, ender we use for male, right? Aristo we use aristo for basically you're the noble or the high class person, right? And the gerento is used for old. Gerento is used for old guys, right? So gerento jo hai, that will be used for old one. So I repeat again, very simple way to understand. So the gerento is basically used for old people. Aristo is used for high class, and you can say the noble one. Ender is used for male, and the gyno is used for female, right? So the right answer will be gerontocracy. The right answer will be gerontocracy. Okay, so let's move to the next one. I'll make only the 10 minutes video, and 10 vocabulary will be discussed, so that we get the better idea, and you are also not investing so much of time, and it will be a very lucrative video in a very short span of time. Chaliye, killings, like very important, guys. These words also comes in paper. If you see the word side, that is used for killing, right? But agar if I'm talking about the avuncular advice भी बोलते हैं guys. Avuncular is basically used for uncle. Avuncular is used for uncle. Matri is used for mother. Matri is used for mother. And the fratry, which is used for guys, fratry is used for basically, you can say fratry is used for brother. And the soror is basically used for sister. So this becomes quite easy. Soror is sister, fratry is brother, matri is mother, avuncular is uncle. Avuncular is uncle. You can simply say it like this. Let's move to the next one. Third one, who is new to subject or the activity. There is again a root, guys, neo. Neo is used for new, right? So anyone who is neophyte is a beginner to the particular activity, is something with who is a novice to the particular activity. We also can use the novice for neophyte, right? We can also use the novice for neophyte. And natal is related to birth. Natal is related to birth, guys, right? So if you are using the word natal, natal is related to basically the birth. So neonatal, anything which is neo and related to birth, you can say. Amateur is called the shokia kind of people or the non-professional people in particular field. It means these are the people who come and go. If you are following my channel, I don't want you guys to be amateur. Amateur means चलो घूमने फिरने चलते हैं, देख लेते हैं क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, ठीक है. Please do not follow my channel if you are not a serious customer. There is a very serious stuff which is going on, and I personally want to tell you that you will definitely see a transformation in your life in 2021 if you stick to me, if you follow me, if you are following my channel, following me on the YouTube. So I'm definitely gonna help you out with a lot of stuff, guys. Okay, so amateur mat baniye, guys. Don't do anything for shokia purpose. It is not going to be very helpful for all of you. And the accomplice, you can say the accompany karne wala, like who can give the accompany, but this give the accompany in the crime. So this is called the partner in crime. This is called basically the partner in crime, right? Okay, move for the next one. The right answer is the neophyte for this. Let's move for the fourth one. Any activity which is done in night is called the nocturnal. Nocturnal birds hote hain. We have nocturnal, the studies karte hain. Nocturnal, there are a lot of things which are happening in the nocturnal. So nocturnal is basically related to your, if I am talking about nocturnal is something which is happening in night. Okay, and the estivation which is happening in summer, which is happening in summer, and the hibernal is happening in winter. Hibernal is happening in winter, right? So the right answer is the nocturnal one. Right answer, we have the nocturnal one. Please yaad rakhiye. Chaliye, the last one. Guys, let's see some manias. We have the mania is called the pagalpan or the craziness. Mania is basically the craziness for something, right? So let's see how many manias we have here. So the klepto is basically stealing का mania. किसी को चोरी करने का हैबिट पड़ जाए, स्टीलिंग का हैबिया, क्लैप्टोमैनिया, क्लैप्टोफोबिया. क्लैप्टो is a very very important word which is more related to your basically, if I'm talk about the when someone has an compulsion for stealing something, someone who is facing the compulsion for stealing something, that is called basically the kleptomania. Pyro is related to fire. Fire is related to fire. Mono is used for one. अकेले रहने का या सिंगल रहने का mania, that is called mono. And the biblio, which is used for books. Biblio, which is used for books, right? So the kleptomania is more related to the stealing of something. Biblio is for books. Mono, अकेले रहने का डर, या फिर like mania for one. Sorry, it's mania. So it's something which is like I'm monomaniac for English language. If I am monomaniac for English language, it means I am crazy for English language. Mono किसी एक बात का mania. Okay, let's move to the sixth one. Like scientific study of earthquake. So guys, we see the study. Etymology. This is the origin of words की study. Very important words. Like the origin of words, if you are doing the study of the origin of the words, like it is Latin, Greek, or it is like from the French word, or how did it came. So that is basically called as the etymology. Dendro is basically used for trees and shrubs. Dendrology is more related to trees and shrubs. And ichthyology, that is related to fish. Very, very important. Ichthyology is more related to fish. And the seismo, guys, the seismo we have is, you can call it as an earthquake. Seismo is basically related to the earthquake. So I repeat all the one again. Right, guys? So I'll repeat the again. And this one is your earthquake, right? This one is fish. this one is trees and shrubs, and this one is the origin of words. Origin of words, right? Okay, let's move to the next one. Person does not believe in God. So God related word is either the THEI or THEO. These are the word which are related to God. So the first one, atheist, that does not believe in God. The first one, atheist, does not believe in God. Because A is without. A means without, right? So atheist is the one who does not believe. Theist is basically called the believer, right? Monotheist, who believes that all gods are one and believe in one God. Means he does not believe in multiple gods, he believes in one God. And the agnostic is the one who doubts the existence of God. Doubts the existence of God, right? So the atheist who does not believe in God, there are a lot of people who are atheists, they don't believe in God, they believe that there is nothing like God. And the one theist who believes in God, right? And there are a lot of agnostic and the monotheist, right? Okay, let's talking to oneself. Som is basically used for sleep. Lock is basically used for speak, right? So, and there is another word, ambul. Ambul is related to walk. And if you follow the soul, soul is basically used for alone. So I have given all the roots. Som is sleep, lock is speak, ambul is walk, soul is alone. So if we look at all the vocabulary here, guys, so you can simply go with this. Somniloquist means it is talking in sleep. So he is talking in sleep. Somnambulist, he is walking in sleep. Soliloquist, guys, soliloquist is basically talking to oneself. खुद से ही बात करेगा. This one talks to oneself. Means when someone is talking to oneself, and I promote soliloquy. If you are not getting the opportunity to talk to anyone, I would request everyone to stand in front of mirror or please pick up certain questions of interview and start discussing without even, taking the help of anyone. Please do it in the room without the help of anyone. The excuse that we always have that we do not have the environment to speak English language, we will get rid of that problem. I have done a lot of time the soliloquy and I still keep on doing it, guys. I still keep on doing it to improve my communication skills, right? So soliloquy when you are talking to yourself, and ventriloquist when someone is speaking from the stomach. Chali, guys, let's move for the ninth one. Eager to fight. Fight ke liye there is a root, guys. Bell. Bell is used for fight. Okay, so there is a specific root, bell, it is used for fight. Amy, which is used for friend, and the Benny, which is used for good, right? I repeat, bell is used for fight, Amy is used for friend, and the Benny, which is used for good. Okay, so let's see what word we have here. लेट्स सी गाइस, हमारे पास क्या है. देखिए फाइट के लिए है. नाउ द आंसर वुड बी belligerent. So the people who are belligerent in nature, they are very very eager to fight. They're always ready to fight. And like for the women we call it as virago. Okay, for women, if it is the woman who is keep on fighting, and woman who is involved in quarrel or is involved in regular strife or the daily bickering, so that lady is called virago. But the belligerent can be used for male and female both. And the amiable nature means bada friendly nature, guys. Amicus curiae is called the friend of the court. It is a legal term, a friend of the court. And the benevolent is very very kind person. Benevolent is very very kind person. Okay, last one, guys. AVI is used for birds and API is used for bees, right? So that's a very simple answer, birds. So the aviary, and the apiary is related to the bees. Okay guys, so this is a small video just to explain you 10 words, and I believe do not go for short tricks, do not look for easy solution. There is always a I don't believe so there is any shortcut to the success. Spend time with the language, read as much as possible. I'll be uploading at least 2 videos in a week. If you get time, please watch those videos, spread it to other people, spread this channel to other people. Now you'll be watching me on the regular basis, coming on this YouTube channel. Yes, I'll not be able to upload the 6-7 videos in a week, but 2 video is a pinky promise from my side. I'll be definitely coming and giving you at least 2 videos. One will be on the vocabulary part and one could be on the grammar part. Okay, and if there are 3 videos I can upload, I'll be happy to do that. Okay, chaliye, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Deepak. I'm the faculty of English language and trying my level best to help people out to improve their skills of language. Thank you guys. Bye bye from my side.